gonna do to me, baby? But every single time that I come around, it seems you got another man trying to keep you down, baby. Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you maybe ought to know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Yes. Hell, I got Sammy on the phone, Nikki at home, trying to get along so I can be with you, babe. No, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying, are you coming, babe? Well, you might think you drive me insane. I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think that maybe you should know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know there's some things you can't take back, there's some things you just got to let go. Well, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Come on, baby. Oh, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you really ought to know this ain't my first rodeo. Hell, I've been around long enough to know that there's some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Well, there's some things you can't take back, Lord, some things you just got to let go. Oh, you gotta let go. Oh, Lord, you can't take it back.
Color of your eyes, the way you smile when you laugh, your younger brother's favorite food, the way you watch the evening news, the freckles on your skin, the way you start your stories from the end. Oh, what am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this lovesick information now that it's over? Now that it's through, tell me, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? The sheepish way you love that I can never get enough. The things I think about when I find myself awake at night. Should I throw them all away? Save them for the holiday. When you go home and you get drunk, figure out that you screwed up. What am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this love-sick information now that it's over? Now that we're through, what am I supposed to do? Tell me, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this love?